Bitcoin price today, May 28, 2024. Bulls aim to turn $70,000 into support, but fail, and BTC falls 2%. The bulls attempted in the last 24 hours to turn $69,000 into $70,000 as support, but they were unsuccessful, and, as a result, the price of BTC retreated about 2%, returning to $68,000. But without abrupt movements. The bulls attempted in the last 24 hours to turn $69,000 into $70,000 as support, but they were unsuccessful, and, as a result, the price of BTC retreated about 2%, returning to $68,000, but without abrupt movements, maintaining the lateral trading range that has prevailed for more than 7 days. There is more than $1 billion to be liquidated in BTC at $72,000. This liquidation serves as a magnet and attracts the incessant big players who are always looking for liquidity, exit, or enter their operations. Mercado Bitcoin launches Rua Energy token that will pay monthly yields to holders for 30 years. It highlights that in the last week, the BTC or USD pair consolidated between $67,669 and $66,324, showing indecision, candle patterns, and mixed signals. The presence of the price above the Ichimoku cloud suggests strong support, increasing the probability of an upward movement. Fibonacci levels confirm that the key support is at $63,373 and resistance at $73,142. The crucial point will be to observe a break above $70,000 to confirm an upward trend towards a probable all-time high, while a drop below $63,373 could signal a retracement towards $60,355. He said. Analyst indicates the 3 best cryptocurrencies with chances of a tenfold increase to buy this week. One of them has already risen 57%. The cryptocurrencies with the highest gains on May 28, 2024 are Not Coin Not, Floki, and Celesta Tia, with increases of 46%, 15%, and 12%, respectively. The cryptocurrencies that are registering the largest drops on May 28, 2024 are Jasmy Coin Jasmy, Libo Dao LDO, and Starknet with drops of 5%, 4.9%, and 4%, respectively. BTC performance, however, this drop was temporary. Bitcoin recovered its value over the days, reaching a monthly high of $71,979 on May 21st, representing an appreciation of 27% compared to the month's low. This significant rise brought Bitcoin to just 2.43% below its all-time high of $73,777, reached on March 14th. The cryptocurrency market experienced significant growth in May, with an increase of 20.6% in market capitalization, encompassing all cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's market dominance stands at 52.5%, consolidating its position as the leader in the sector. For those waiting to go long, here's the technical analysis. The price of Bitcoin has been oscillating between $69,451 and $68,453 since May 24th. If it breaks the upper range, it will find short and medium-term resistances at $69,700 and $70,900. However, if the breakout is downward, short and medium-term supports are at $62,400 and $59,450, she highlighted. Furthermore, she stated that the approval of Ethereum ETF's exchange-traded funds by the SEC on May 23 marks a crucial moment for the crypto market. In January, the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs was one of the biggest catalysts for the increase in the cryptocurrency's price. culminating in a new all-time high. So far, the 11 Bitcoin ETF managers have received a total volume of $272 billion traded through these financial instruments. Bloomberg analysts project that Ethereum ETFs could receive 20 to 25% of the demand experienced by spot Bitcoin ETFs. This is a very realistic estimate when we compare that Ethereum has approximately 30% of Bitcoin's market value. However, even though they have been approved, trading of these ETFs has not yet begun, as the SEC needs to approve the S-1 filings, which detail the management of the funds. These forms are still under review. Meanwhile, according to the analyst, the market is paying attention to two factors. The first concerns the asset's value. There are expectations of Ethereum appreciation, which recorded an increase of 35.7% in May alone. The second is related to the appreciation of other projects linked to Ethereum, driven by the approval of the ETFs. For those waiting to go long, here is the technical analysis. Even after the ETF approval, the price of Ethereum remains with strong buying pressure, being quoted at $3,895 at the time of this publication. If the buying flow continues, resistance is at $4,565. Once this range is surpassed, Ethereum may break its all-time high and seek the first Fibonacci expansion level at $5,454. Short and medium-term supports are at $3,200 and $2,980. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more breaking cryptocurrency news. See you later.